Today, we are unlocking the secrets of small but super important part of English grammar, that is articles. But by the end of this video, you will know exactly these three important part or things in articles. What are articles? What are the types of articles? And the third one, when to use a, and the. So let's get started. Before we dive in, let's answer the questions. What are articles? Articles are little words we use before the nouns and they tell us whether we are talking about something general or specific. Now, first, we will explore the types of articles. Articles are divided into two main types, that is, indefinite articles and definite articles. First, we will learn what are indefinite articles. Indefinite articles, they are a and an, are called as indefinite articles. The second one, definite articles. The is called as definite articles. Simple, right? Now let's break them down by one. Let's start with an. An is used before the words that begin with vowel sound. That is, which are used before the vowels. First, we will understand what are vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. There, how it works. Let's understand with an examples. The first example, dash apple. Here, apple, the starting A is being used. That is vowels. So, we have to use an apple. The second example, dash hour. Here, observe the pronunciation. Hour, like hour. Here, H is silent. So, we have to use an hour. Okay? The third example, dash idea. The starting I is being used. That is vowels. So, we have to use an idea. Whenever before vowels comes, we have to use an. Okay, let's understand some more examples using an. There are few examples for using an. The first example, she had an apple for breakfast. The second example, we need an umbrella. It's about to rain. The third example, he arrived an hour late to the meeting. Observe the sentences. Whenever vowels comes, use an. Okay? These are the examples for better understanding of an. Now, let's move to A. A is used before words that begin with consonants, which begin with consonant sounds. Let's check it out how it works. A is used before the consonant sounds. A is used before the consonant sounds. First upon, we will understand what are consonants. Living vowels are called as consonants. For better understanding, see this chart. I hope you got to know. Let's understand how A works with an examples. First example is dash car. Here, the car, first letter C is been, it represents consonants. So we have to say a car. Let's understand the second example. Dash dog. Here, the dog, first letter D, it represents consonants. So we have to say a dog. Whenever consonants comes, we have to use a. Okay? Whenever the consonants comes, we have to use a. Here are some quick examples for better understanding of it. The first example, I saw a cat in the yard. The second example, they bought a house in the city. The third example, There is a book on the table. I need to read it. Okay, these are the few examples of A. Got the hang of it? Now let's move to the. The is called as definite articles. The is called as definite articles. Okay, it is used when you are talking about something specific things or unique. Okay, when you are speaking about specific or unique, let's understand how the works. For example, dash Mahatma Gandhi ji. This represents specific person. So we use the Mahatma Gandhi ji. The second example, dash sun. This represents specific to the sun. So we use the sun. Here are some quick examples for you that makes you perfections in the. The first example, the sun rises in the east. The second example, the book is on the shelf is mine. The third example, I have seen the movie you mentioned. These are the examples for the, for better understanding. Easy to follow, right? Now, I will give you some examples. You must write it down in the comments below. You have to write it down in the comments below. Let's bring it all together with some mixed example, with mixed examples. She is reading dash book. The book is dash bestseller. The second example, I meet dash engineer who works at dash airport. The third example, okay? The third example is he has dash dog and dash dog is very friendly. Answer the questions in the comment section, okay? I hope you understand the first what are articles and what are the types of articles and got to know a and the. See how smoothly articles works. It's all about whether you're talking generally or specifically. Before we finish up, don't forget to check out my other two videos of parts of speech and kinds of nouns. This video will help you build a strong foundation in grammar. Now that you have mastered about articles, okay, you will know well on your way. And if you're looking to deepen, if you're looking for deepen your understanding, check out my other links to my videos on parts of speech and nouns. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out the future videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.